trainer Peter Mongai Gicinka, taking through the topic of social policy and administration, and have also subtopics, which is a decision-making processes. We have to define the terms which is used in a social policy and an administration. One is a decision making. It is the act of selecting a particular alternative of solving a problem. Secondly, we have to see the steps in effective decision makings. So it is of the seven steps, including the first one is identify the problem. You can explain it by clarifying the define the nature of the decision you must take. Second, gather relative information where you collect the relevant information before you make a decision. Number three, you identify alternatives. As you select the information, you will probably identify the several possible paths of actions. Fourth, weighing the evidence. Draw your information and emotions to imagine what it will be like if you call out each of the alternative to the head. Number five, choose among the alternatives. This involved selecting the alternatives that seems to be the best one for you. Fifth, you take an action. This involving in implementing the alternative your choice in steps. Review your decisions and its consequences. In this last step, evaluate the results to see if they have met the needs in the steps one. We can also look about the elements of the decision situations. We have our decision makers, relevant alternatives, and the needs of the problem to be solved. Also, we can see about the types of decisions. These include prolonged decisions. They are permanent decisions. Programmed decisions. They are temporary decisions. Routine decisions. These decisions are related to the general functioning of the organization. Strategic decisions. These decisions usually involving a huge investment, whole funding. Conditional decisions. These are individual make decisions depending on what they get as a reward. Also, we can see about the types of the readers involving in decision making. Authoritative decision leaders. These are the types of the leaders that make all decisions without involving other junior staffs and subordinates. Also, we can see the facilitative decision readers. The readers are made by both junior and senior staffs. That constitutive decision readers. The management passes the responsibility of making decisions to another stakeholders involved. Next, delegative decision readers. These are decisions made when the readers adopt what is or are junior thinking is right or felt that it should be implemented. Also, we have indicators impeding policies decisions. They include inability to solve identified problem. Second, poor management of available resources. Third, long decisions made by decision makers. Fourth, long processes of implementation.